Hi friends, welcome to Math Today. Today we're going to start on our math facts, which is number 53. I'm not sure why that's so fuzzy. Okay, go ahead and write your name with your pencil. I'm going to use a marker just so it's a little darker. Okay, let's do it together so that you can get used to practicing. We're kind of switching back and forth between doing it alone, doing it together. Okay, remember minus 0, we're not taking anything away, so we're just keeping the big number. Ready? 6 minus 0 equals 6. 5 minus 0 equals 5. If they stay the same numbers, that means we took them all away. We had 7 things and we took away 7 things, so now we have 0. 7 minus 7 equals 0. 1 minus 0 equals 1. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Next row. 3 minus 0 equals 3. We didn't take anything away. 5 minus 5, we took it all away, equals 0. 7 minus 0 equals 7. 3 minus 3 equals 0. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Next row. 6 minus, these are all minus 1, okay, so we're just going one number smaller, so we want to get so that we can do this pretty quickly, right? 6 minus 1 equals 5. 1 minus 1 equals 0. 9 minus 1 equals 8. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 10 minus 1 equals 9. Last row, now we're adding, okay? So we're getting bigger, so don't think smaller, think bigger. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 7 plus 7 equals 14, lean. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 5 plus 5 equals 10, again. 7 plus 1 equals 8. Okay, if you need to pause so you can check this, go right ahead. We're going to move on to our math assignment today, which is, or go ahead and write your name at the top. The date today is December 9th, so you're going to do 12-9-2020. And the date, or the day of the week, is Wednesday. Okay, I'm going to hold this up here if you need to push pause so you can see the date or the day. You can do that. Push pause if you need to. Okay, number 1 is trace number 48. So we're going to do a 4 and an 8. Down, slide, right, and cut it in 2. Make an S and go back home to make the number 48. Down, slide, right, and cut it in 2. Make an S and go back home to make the number 48. Okay, number 2, Stephen had 6 cookies in his lunchbox. Draw 6 circles. He ate 3 cookies for lunch. He ate them, so we're taking them away. So we draw a picture and show a number sentence to show what happened. So how many cookies did he have to start with? 6. And he ate, so he took away 3. How many does he have left? 3. How many cookies are in the lunchbox now? 3. Okay, number 3, count by tens, fill in the missing numbers. Okay, it goes 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, we're taking a quick break so I can remind you about a couple things about money. These are called dimes. These are called dimes. They're gray or silver, and they have, I think, Theodore Roosevelt on one side, and then some symbols on the other side. When we count by dimes, we count by tens. 1 dime is worth 10 cents. These are pennies. Has the Abraham Lincoln on one side and the Lincoln Memorial on the other side. They're brown and they're, or copper. And these are worth how many cents? 1. Okay, grab a brown crayon. Number 4 says, color the pennies brown. Little hint, this first one is smaller than the rest. This is not a penny. So color the last 4 circles or coins brown. Okay. So it says to us right here, how much money is this? Okay, this one is worth 10. You don't have to write this, but this is worth 10 cents. That's the dime. It doesn't tell us to color it, so it's okay, we don't have to. This is worth 10. Each one of these is worth 1. Okay? So when we're counting, we start with 10. Now we count by ones. 11, 12, 13, 14. Right above the last penny, write 14. 1, 4. And we're doing the cent sign. So we do a C with a line through it. 14 cents is how much this money is. So if you have 1 dime and 4 pennies, you have 14 cents. We're going to be doing a lot of this, okay? All right, grab a crayon. And it says how many, or I guess we might need our pencil for a second more. How many squares are in the first train? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. It says color. It'll tell you how many to color. This one says 3. This one says 4. Go ahead and color those. Okay. Then over here on the other side, it asks us how many are left. So how many are white still? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 7 equals 10. Okay, how many are left on the bottom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. Nice work. Lots of new concepts. Doing great. Keep practicing your counting by hundreds, and also practice your even numbers. Your even numbers are this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. At school, we play this little game where we say it, just like I just did, and then somebody gets to erase one. Then we see if we can remember what goes there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Then someone gets to erase another one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So you could practice and do that little game at home if you wanted to, but practice counting your even numbers and your tens. Okay, good job, you guys.